welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing origami with this origami set, and inside we've got an instruction booklet filled with fun origami things you can do, like there's rockets and dresses and all the things that you could even imagine, even animals and furnitures and everything. And we also have some paper. We've got some practice paper, and then we've got paper with pictures on it, like there's a dog, and you can just fold them and then it will be, you don't have to customize it. And then this is the one we're going to be doing today. We are going to be making a ladybird, so let's get started. So the first step is you take your paper and you turn it over and you fold it in half, but like there'll be a triangle when you fold it like this. And then you fold it down, make sure it's tight and even. And this paper makes it really easy to see if it's even or not. And the next step is to turn it around and fold in the wings like this. And we'll do that with the other side too. And now let's move on to the next step. So the next step is you fold the tip just down up till the line stops here, and then you fold it down completely so that the face comes like this, and then you just press it down hard so it stays. And now we'll move on to the final step. So the final step is you turn it around and just like medium-ish, you fold one corner like this, and then you do the same for the other side. And then you do the same for the bottom as well. Make sure you also get the bottom of the wing too. And that's your ladybug finished, and it's really cool. And what you can do is you can just slightly open this and you can move the wings, and it looks really nice. And it's got this nice face, and if you turn it over you can see the back of it, and it looks really nice. I really enjoyed making it, and it was really easy and simple for beginners. If you're just going to start origami, this is a really easy place to start. And I hope you enjoyed, and I hope your ladybirds go well, and I hope you can make this, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.